Hola and welcome back to Kim at Home. In today's video, I'm going to be doing some speed cleaning. I'm also going to be doing some decorating for Valentine's Day, which I normally don't, but it's very minimal. And I'm also going to be doing some decluttering around the kitchen. If you're new here, my name is Kim, K-Y-M. I have to say it in every single video because people always misspell my name and I'm really trying to figure out who they are addressing. But I'm Kim with a Y, K-Y-M. I do videos pertaining to home life. So that's all things home, cooking, cleaning, DIYs, repairs, projects, all that great stuff. If that's something that you're interested in, please do not forget to hit subscribe. Join my YouTube family. We over here in these parts talking about real life things like mental health, pouring love into yourself so that you're able to pour love into other people and people in this world, because we definitely need that right now. The last time this space over here was clean was a month ago when I put up the Christmas wintry decoration. So I wanted to make sure I got it cleaned out really good. And as you can see, I was looking in that little cup for spiders because spiders love wood and there's a lot of wood in this area. I'm cleaning everything off with vinegar.
Yeah, to get me back to you. Yeah, yeah, to get me back to you.
We're going to play a game in this video called How Many Times Is Kim Gonna Sweep This Floor? I'm telling you what, I do not wear shoes in the house and I don't like walking around on crumbs, so I'm constantly sweeping the floor. I need a RoboVac. So RoboVac, if you are listening, hook your girl up. Let me know how you're doing below in the comments, what you're reading, what you're working on, maybe a fun project or something like that, what you're watching. I just watched a show and I'm trying to think of the name of it. It's called Fallout and it's on Prime, I believe, and I didn't like it. I literally watched 2 episodes and was just like, yeah, I'm not feeling it. I really like sci-fi stuff, but it really has to catch my attention in order for me to like it. There are a few sci-fi shows that I would suggest to you. The 100, I know I've said it 100 times on here. Also Silo, and then Snowpiercer, the actual series, not the movie. Great shows. There are a few items that I picked up from Home Goods as well as Michael's, so I wanted to get those price tags off of there and also wipe everything down. There are so many people that have been touching this stuff, plus I'm a germaphobe, so I definitely want to get it all cleaned off. One thing about adding more decorations to your space is you want to clean things off first. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to get everything cleaned off and then I'm going to just put some decorations where I feel like they look pretty. Let me know below in the comments if you're that type of person that just likes to look at pretty things, because I could totally go into a home decor store, not want to buy anything, but just look at pretty stuff and imagine in my head, oh, this would look good here, or this would look good there. Like for some reason that just gets my adrenaline going. And I know I cannot be the only person that does that too. I've taken all of the winter decorations off my DIY stand and I want to get it all put away. Don't be laughing how I put things back together. My husband accidentally threw away the paper that you wrap things with when it's like glass or ceramic that's breakable. And so I'm just putting it in plastic bags. We always have plastic bags and that's a great way to store things in the event that you didn't know that. That's just great information. Thanks for shopping. The day that I'm doing this voiceover is the day that we celebrate Dr. Martin Luther King Jr.'s birthday. And I just want to leave you with this. The words that he spoke, not even just in his I have a dream speech, but in general, resonate so hard right now with all the things that are going on in this earth. So saying all that to say, show some love and some kindness to people around you, because people are worried, people are stressed, people are going through a lot right now, and it's really, really sad to see. Be quick to pray for them. Don't be quick to judge. You don't know what they're going through. I had every intention on just opening this little heating space. I use it for storage, but really it's like a warming station or whatever. I wanted to just put the dishes away, but it hasn't been wiped down in a while. And I'm like, you know what? That really needs cleaned off. And since this is a speed cleaning video and there's really no rhyme or reason or one specific area that I'm looking to clean, I just wanted to get it handled. I'm that type of person. I think that's why I can keep my house so clean all the time, because I'm random with cleaning, if that makes sense. And since I'm also decluttering in this video, other than speed cleaning, there are an overabundance of cleaning cloths that I have. So once they get super, super dirty, or if I clean an area that's filled with bacteria, I don't save it to have my husband wash it, because you know I don't do laundry. I just throw it away. So that's a great way to declutter too, especially if you've had them for a while. And I like to get new cleaning cloths as all the time, just because I'm always cleaning. It's actually a good thing to ask for, like for a holiday. I always ask for fuzzy socks and night clothes, but sometimes I'm like, ooh, your girl needs some cleaning cloths. So you know what I mean? For me, it's just the little things in life. I don't need all these great material possessions, because my validation comes from God, not from any material possession at all whatsoever. I have an ottoman in my garage that I store these seasonal pillows in, and in order to keep them clean, I like to put them in plastic bags. It works very well. Plastic bags are reusable for so many different things, as well as trash can bags for your bathroom. When I was doing my Christmas shopping for people, I thought about the glass storage bins that I really been wanting to get. The plastic ones get on my nerves so bad. The moment you put leftover spaghetti into a plastic container, it just stains it. The moment you put it into a dishwasher, it like leaves a residue of crud behind, and that's really annoying. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna get some glass containers. And let me tell you something, I have already used them for leftovers, and they are truly a blessing, like for real. Again, for me, it's the little things in life. I ordered these off Amazon in case you're interested. They do have a year warranty, and I'm going to get them washed up with some Mrs. Meyer's dish soap.
Take a drag of my cigarette, breathe me out,
One thing I will say about these glass containers is there's a rubber piece that goes around the lid. So when you dry them off, you want to make sure you get underneath that rubber piece. That way you won't grow any kind of mildew or mold on your brand new Tupperware. That would be annoying. You'll have to let me know if you're the type of person that cleans everything off before you use it, including clothes. When I go into the store and I buy an outfit, I make sure it gets washed before I wear it. There are so many reasons why. I don't even want to go there because it'll gross you out, like for real. Don't Google it, okay? But it's imperative, it's importante to wash your decor, wash your new dishes, wash your new clothes, wash your new sheets. As a matter of fact, speaking of sheets, I saw this TikTok video of this lady and she was upset that she put brand new sheets on her sister's bed and it had blood on them. And I'm like, girl, you don't know what was going on in that factory. It could have been an animal blood. It could have been another person's blood. But anytime you buy something new, definitely wash it before you use it. And if you wear extensions, wash your extensions before you use them because it's in a factory and there's going to be a lot of dirt and dust buildup on them. And that's just gross.
Feel that far, so far, so far.
So I wanted to open this cabinet and get rid of the old plastic Tupperware and the Tupperware lids, but I forgot to get an after shot. I got rid of about 10 different items. So declutter your life away for the new year. It makes you feel good, that's for sure.
No one ever knows where we're heading, where the story goes. You just gotta hold on to your path. What feels right in your heart and your soul. I know you always wanna do what's right. I know you rather wanna fight than fight. But every now and then you gotta pause. Ask yourself, is this right? Stand your ground. You say, I wanna be the hero, 'cause I don't wanna give up. Now I am down at zero. When will it ever stop? I'm only human. How am I supposed to cope? One bad decision, I'm running out of rope.
Next up was my pantry. I wanted to make sure that the things that were falling out on me, like you just saw, would no longer fall out. The other thing was there were some things in there that were expired. I go through this pantry probably once a month to straighten it up, and I'm not the best organizer. However, I will clean the heck up out your house, my house, your mama's house, and your cousin, okay? However, I always get this pantry together because sometimes I feel like my family just throws things in there and then I have to make sure it looks a little bit decent.
But when I'm down at zero, will it ever stop? I'm only human. How am I supposed to cope?
Here are the items that I got rid of, and here is what the decorations are looking like. Again, it's very minimal. I was putting things back where they needed to go and then adding some touches of Valentine's Day.
I'm only human. Oh, how am I supposed to cope? One bad decision. I'm running out of rope. I'm running out of rope. How am I supposed to cope? It was only one bad
That song that was just playing, I really, really like it. I don't know why it speaks to me, but it does. So if you like that song, shout out to you. It's by 𝐓𝐇𝐈𝐒. Okay, so now it's time to cook, and I'm making some goulash because it's freezing outside. Let's put an emphasis on that, okay? Like 5 degrees freezing. And I want to make sure that we have some comfort food. So I'm making my version of goulash. And you know, to each his own with goulash, but it may not look appealing, but oh my gosh, it was filled with flavor. While I'm cooking, I also like to multitask. I cook and clean at the same time. So while my potatoes are boiling, I was doing other things. While my meat was cooking, I was doing other things. So right now I got to get this floor swept up because again, I ain't trying to walk on no crumbs. I wonder how many times I swept the floor. If you know, leave it below in the comments. But I really appreciate all of you being here. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. I definitely don't take that for granted. There are some changes in 2026. I've decided that there will be some months where I release more than just 4 videos, because at first I was just doing once a week, but I released 2 last week and I'm going to release 2 this week as well. So hopefully you enjoy them, tune in, share them, hype them up. There is a hype button on YouTube now, and that really, really helps small creators like myself.